In my class today we will do the question answers and exercises of chapter number 16 in science. Tick the correct answer. Rulers and meter rods are used to measure length. Standard unit for measuring length is meter. A thermometer measures temperature. Answer this following question in one word. Which one is not a standard unit? Cubit or meter? Answer is cubit. What does weight measure? Come to page number 113. Weight measures how heavy an object is. Question number 3. Which unit is used to measure a very long distance? Kilometers. What is the normal temperature of healthy person? 37 degrees Celsius or 98.4 degrees Fahrenheit. How is time measured? Page number 114. Time is measured using a clock or a watch. Then C. Look at the following pictures and fill in the blanks. Pen A is longer than pen B. The cricket ball is heavier than the tennis ball. Here are two bottles of mineral water. Bottle A has more water in it than bottle B. Look at the following pictures and fill in the blanks. First, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. 1 kilogram equals to 1000 grams. 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters. 1 day equals to 24 hours. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Coming to answer the following question. Which tools are used to measure length? Ruler, meter rod, measuring tape. Name two instruments to measure weight. Common balance, electronic balance. Which instruments are used to measuring volume? Measuring cylinder, measuring can. So this was your exercises and question answers for chapter number 16. For the drawing that you have to draw in your copy is ruler, meter rod, measuring tape. इन तीनों में से कोई भी एक. देन मेजरिंग ऑफ वेट में से कॉमन बैलेंस या फिर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बैलेंस. मेजरमेंट ऑफ वॉल्यूम में से मेजरिंग सिलेंडर या फिर मेजरिंग कैन. मेजरिंग टेम्परेचर में से क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर या फिर डिजिटल थर्मोमीटर. मेजरिंग टाइम में से क्लॉक या वॉच या फिर डिजिटल क्लॉक. एनी वन. And the exercises that you have to do in your copy is tick the correct answer, write the answer in one word, and the question answers, that is A, B, D and E. These are the exercises that you have to complete in your copy. A, B, D and E. And the drawings that I have told you, these all work you have to complete in your classwork copy.